Here are the new books released at Google Play Books. The first one is entitled Spare, a book written by Prince Harry, Duke of Sussex. The book says that before the death of his mother, Princess Diana, he considered himself as the happy-go-lucky spare to the more serious heir. He described himself as the spare, where the more serious heir probably refers to his brother Prince William. But life has changed since the death of his mother. He didn't struggle with anger and loneliness. He also struggled at school. Blaming the press for the death of his mother, he struggled with his life in the spotlight. He also having a hard time to find true love. The book also talks about her marriage with Meghan Markle, the couple's difficulties in dealing with the public eye, and why they left the royal family. If you want to know how Prince Harry feels on various stages in his life, this book is highly recommended. Published by Random House, this book is under the genre of autobiography. Books of similar topic are The Palace Papers by Tina Brown and Diana, Her True Story by Andrew Morton. The next book newly released is The Leadership Challenge, How to Make Extraordinary Things Happen in Organization, Edition 7. It is written by James Kouzes and Barry Posner. The book viewed leadership as a skill to be learned and as a relationship to be nurtured. The book contains current case studies and engaging stories of contemporary business challenges. It will also mention about team-oriented and hybrid work relationship. This book is perfect for those who aspire to be a leader in a rapidly changing business environment. Published by John Wiley & Sons, this book is under the genre of business and economics, particularly management and leadership. Other books written by Kouzes and Posner are The Truth About Leadership and Making Extraordinary Things Happen in Asia. The third book is How to Be More Humble. It is written by Paula Fragoso. The book mentions that humbleness or humility opens new opportunities. Being humble will bring people closer to you, and it helps you grow and becoming a better version of yourself. It is only 27-page book, so if you want a quick read of motivational book, then this book is a good recommendation. Published by Editora Bibliomundi under the genre of self-help. Similar books are 10 Ways to Increase Self-Esteem by Paula Fragoso and 50 Essential Habits of Happier People by Vicente Villares.